This is the all-new 2026 Audi A7, a perfect combination of elegance, performance, and cutting-edge technology from Audi. A car that has always stood for style and innovation, now entering a bold new era. The 2026 Audi A7 continues its signature Sportback silhouette with a long flowing roofline that gives it a coupe-like appearance. But now, it looks sharper, cleaner, and more futuristic than ever. At the front, the iconic Audi grille has been redesigned. It's wider, more aggressive, and in electric variants, it's more closed off for better aerodynamics. Slim LED matrix headlights give the car a high-tech look, with customizable lighting signatures that make it stand out at night. The front bumper features clean air intakes, enhancing both style and performance. You'll see the smooth, flowing lines that define the A7. The frameless doors, large alloy wheels, and sculpted body panels give it a premium and sporty feel. The low stance and wide body make it look powerful, yet elegant. This is what Audi does best, combining luxury with performance design. Now moving to the rear, the 2026 A7 features a full-width LED light bar, creating a modern and distinctive look. The rear design is minimal, clean, and very premium. In electric versions, there are no exhaust pipes, while petrol variants still keep a sporty dual exhaust setup. The rear diffuser adds a touch of performance styling. Now step inside, and this is where the Audi A7 truly shines. The interior feels like stepping into the future. You are greeted by a fully digital cockpit with a large curved display that combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system. Audi's famous virtual cockpit is now more advanced, offering crisp graphics and customizable layouts. A second touchscreen controls climate and additional functions, keeping the cabin clean and minimal. Everything is driver-focused, making it easy to control while driving. Materials are top quality. You get soft leather, brushed aluminum, wood trims, and sustainable materials in newer variants. Ambient lighting creates a relaxing and luxurious atmosphere, especially at night. The seats are extremely comfortable, designed for long journeys. Rear. Passengers also get plenty of space, making this car practical for families as well. And because this is a premium car, technology is everywhere. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, over-the-air updates, and a premium sound system all come standard or optional. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and parking assist make driving easier and safer. Now let's talk about performance. Because the Audi A7 is not just about looks, the 2026 model is expected to offer multiple powertrain options. You may get petrol, hybrid, and fully electric versions. The petrol engines are expected to produce between 250 to 350 horsepower, offering a smooth and powerful driving experience. Hybrid versions will combine performance with better fuel efficiency. And the fully electric version, that's where things get exciting. The electric A7 could produce up to 500 horsepower or more, delivering instant acceleration and silent performance. To 100 km/h could take around 4 seconds in high-performance variants. Audi's famous Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures excellent grip and stability in all conditions. The ride quality is smooth, refined, and comfortable, making it perfect for long-distance travel. Now let's talk about range and efficiency. The electric version of the 2026 Audi A7 is expected to offer a range of around 600 kilometers on a single charge. Fast charging technology allows you to recharge quickly, making it practical for daily use. Hybrid versions offer a balance between fuel efficiency and performance. Now finally, let's talk about the price. The expected starting price of the 2026 Audi A7 is around $75,000 to $90,000, depending on the variant. Higher trims and electric versions can go well above $100,000. This places it in competition with luxury cars like the BMW 5 Series and Mercedes-Benz E-Class. And honestly, it stands strong among them. So what makes the 2026 Audi A7 special? It's the balance, luxury, performance, technology, and design. All in one package. It's a car that looks stunning, feels premium, and drives beautifully. Whether you choose petrol, hybrid, or electric, the A7 offers something for everyone. And in a world moving towards the future, the 2026 Audi A7 proves that luxury can still be exciting. This is not just a car. This is the future of driving.